Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Today, our group 3 will present on the topic AI for collaborative language learning. My name is Muhammad Farhan Fadilah, and I will begin my presentation by explaining the definition and basic concept of collaborative learning and the role of AI in group or task. And next, my friend Widya Aulia Putri will continue by discussing the example of AI tools that encourage collaboration. After that, Dian Trilestari will explain the benefits of AI tools for communication skills. And finally, Arini will present about the demonstration of artificial intelligence uses in group or pair tasks. This is the outline of our presentation. And right now, let's move to our first topic, which is collaborative learning, and role of AI in group or pair task. So, everyone, what is collaborative learning? Collaborative learning is a learning approach where students work together in small groups to achieve shared goals. It's not just about sitting together, but about actively engaging in discussions, exchanging ideas, giving feedback, and taking responsibility as a team. And for collaborative learning, have main characteristic include shared goals. All members work toward the same objective. The second one is active interaction, constant communication, debates, and reflection. And then the third one is equal participation, which is each member contributes, so no one just free riding. And the last one is richer outcomes. So the results are often better because ideas comes from multiple perspectives. And then the second topic that I want to explain is the role of AI in group or peer tasks. Artificial intelligence has become like a group member that never complains, never disappears, and never misses deadlines. AI have certain roles in group or peer tasks includes the first one is idea generation. AI can assist in brainstorming topics, providing quick reference or outlining draft to make group discussion more focused. The second one is organizing tasks. AI can help manage schedules, send reminders, or even divide tasks fairly instead of leaving all the work to one person. The third one is language support. In international groups, AI can work as an instant translator. And then the third one is feedback. AI tools can provide it, AI tools can provide early evaluation on draft before submission. And the last one is simulation and practice. For example, practicing debates and our Q&A session where I can act as mock audience or opponents. But still, AI is just a tool. If the group members themselves lack effort, AI won't magically fix it. Its real value lies in making collaboration more efficient and polished, while humans remain the ones who think critically, make decisions, and take full responsibility. And that is the explanation from me about collaborative learning and the role of AI in group or pair task. And then the second topic that will be delivered is about example of AI tools that encourage collaboration. And this topic will be presented by Vidya. Vidya, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you to the moderator. I would like to explain about example of AI tools that encourage collaboration, chatbot and platforms. According to AI interaction in collaborative learning to improve learning effectiveness, AI can enhance collaboration learning by providing immediate feedback, supporting interaction between students, and tailoring the learning experience to each individual needs. First application that use AI is Duolingo. This is give a real-time feedback and suggest personalized exercise. And each time learner answer the question, the system collect data on accuracy, speed, and the type of error based on this data. The AI decided which exercise should appear next. For instance, if a learner repeatedly struggle with the verb conjunction in English, the system will introduce more exercise on the topic until the learner improve it. If the learner is this demonstrate necessary, and the AI will increase the difficult ensuring continuous progress. This adaptive learning path is one of the key strengths AI in education. In another example is ChatGPT AI. This is provide instant explanation and Q&A. And then next is suggest interactive conversation or brainstorming. That's a tool support learner in developing multiple language skills, stimulatingly, such as listening. Learner listen to word, phrase, and full sentence spoken by native like voice, which train their ears to recognize pronunciation and intonation. And then the second is reading. Short text interaction and comprehension tasks allows learner to practice recognize written from and understanding word meaning when they use GPT AI learner read AI generate explanation or dialogue. And then next is writing. By typing translation completing sentence, learners improve spelling, grammar, and sentence construction, and that the GPTI student practice compression message essay or summarize and get feedback. For speaking, the app uses speech recognition technology that allow learners to pronounce words and sentences aloud. Receiving instant feedback on their accuracy, learners can practice speaking directly to the chatbot. The GPT-AI respond the learners, allowing learners to stimulate a conversation, improve fluency, and build confidence in oral communication. For a limitation of the challenge that despite in benefit Duolingo also faces some limitation. First is while the AI provide personalized practice, it cannot fully um culture replace the human interaction. And then the second is there are technical challenges such as the speech recognition error, which is sometimes fail to accurate access a learner pronunciation. Now look at the example, the work in practice. In the first material is screenshot, we can see activity from Duolingo, where the learner asks the translate of the phrase sugar or milk into Indonesian. The AI behind the platform analyzes the learner answer immediately, and if the response is correct, the system increases the difficulty to provide a new challenge. If this incorrect, the system will be a similar exercise until the learner show a progress. Then the second is ChatGPT. Then this is AI. We can see interaction with ChatGPT where the learner asks about, can you explain what the function of the key? The AI respond with multi context explanation and describing the meaning of the key, and is as a physical object and music on the keyboard. And this is a response show the flexibility of ChatGPT in providing rich explanation tailored to the learner request. In the context of learning, ChatGPT can be used to practicing conversation, role-playing, real-life scenario. That these two tools highlight the complexity in Strength of AI Education. Duolingo focus on the structure and adaptive exercise to build foundation skill, while ChatGPT enable open-ended interaction and exploring, helping learners practice authentic communication. All right, maybe that is for me. I will give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Vidya, for the explanation. And then we're moving to the next topic. The topic is the benefits of communication, the benefits of AI for communication and interaction skills.
Okay,
And
thank you.
will be delivered by Dian Real Study.
Okay,
So,
thanks
Dian, the
to
floor is yours.
the moderator. Now I will explain about the benefits of AI for communication and interaction skills. Um, so after hearing about collaborative learning and examples of AI tools, now we will focus on how these tools actually improve students' abilities to communicate and interact in English learning. The first benefit is confidence and anxiety reduction. So, uh, the first I'm sorry. The first benefit is confidence building and reducing anxiety. It is very common that students feel nervous when speaking English. They worry about making mistakes, being corrected in front of others, or even being laughed at by classmates. This is called foreign language speaking anxiety. According to Ebadi and College's 2025, when learners practice speaking with AI tools like Small Talk to Me, their anxiety decreased significantly. At the same time, their fluency, vocabulary, accuracy, and pronunciation improved. Why does this happen? Because AI provides a safe and non-judgmental environment. The AI chatbot does not criticize or laugh. It only even it only gives feedback. For example, if a student mispronounces a word, the system simply repeats it correctly. This reduces stress and creates a more comfortable space for practice. Uh, Imagine a very shy student in a normal classroom. They might remain silent the whole time, but with an AI chatbot, they can practice speaking privately, and after gaining confidence, they are more willing to join group discussion. So this shows how AI can transform anxiety into confidence. And the second benefit is direct improvement of speaking skills. A quasi-experimental by Kiao and Zhao at 2023 compared two groups of students, uh, one using AI-based instruction and another one using traditional teaching methods. The results were very clear. The AI group made much greater progress in speaking proficiency. This is because AI gives instant feedback. For example, if grammar if grammar is wrong, AI suggests a correction, and if pronunciation is unclear, AI models correct correct the sound, and if the vocabulary is misused, AI provides alternatives. Such immediate corrections help students notice their mistakes right away and fix them. In traditional classroom, it is difficult for teachers to give this level of individual feedback to every student. Over time, these small corrections accumulate into big improvement in fluency, accuracy, and pronunciation. So, AI function like a personal tutor that supports every learner at the same time. And the third benefit is active participation and self-regulation. So self-regulation means students can control their own learning process, choosing activities, setting goals, and monitoring their progress. According to Kiao and Zhao, 2023, AI helps students become more independent and self-regulated. For instance, uh, in a collaborative project, students can use AI to practice lines for a role play before performing with their group. Because each member is prepared, they participate more actively during the actual performance. AI also motivates students when they receive a quick feedback from AI and see their improvement, they feel encouraged to practice more. In this way, AI changes passive learners into active communicators. So this benefit is very important because communication skills cannot be developed by listening only, but students must actively practice, interact, and take responsibility for their own progress. Okay, for the last benefit is about improving interaction and collaboration. Students will have better interaction and collaboration. So AI is not only for individual learning, but it can also act as a facilitator in a group work. Uh, AI such AI tools such as chatbots, or intelligent tutoring system help students brainstorm, exchange feedback, and solve problems together. And let me give an example. Suppose a group is writing a dialogue in English with AI assistants. They can ask the chatbot for vocabulary suggestion, check grammar, or even do role play conversation with the AI before performing it. This makes their group interaction more focused and productive. Also, Fang in 2025 also observed that when students work in groups with AI, the AI itself becomes like another peer in the group. Students do not only talk to each other, but they also ask questions and negotiate with the AI. This creates a new dynamic of collaboration where the machine supports human to human interaction. In another in another study by Dharmawansah 2025 tested AI supported role plays in the classroom. The result showed that students made fewer mistakes, spoke more fluently, and were more engaged in the dialogue. The AI gave instant corrective feedback while students were speaking, which helped them continue the conversation smoothly. So, AI does not replace collaboration, but enhance it, making communication among peers richer and more meaningful. That's all for me. I give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, Dian, for the explanation. And then we're moving to the last topic, and the topic is demonstration of collaborative using AI. And this topic will be presented by Arini. For Arini, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. And then I will explain about the demonstration from the example by second speaker. The first example that about Duolingos. Uh, the example title is that about adaptive vocabulary and grammar practice. First step that preparation. Teacher asks student to open Duolingo on their devices, and then the topic is daily vocabulary and basic grammar like food, greetings, and simple sentence. The second step is individual practice. Each student answers Duolingo exercise. Example question, translate into English. Saya makan nasi. And then the options, I eat rice, I drink rice and I cook rice. The third step, AI tracking. Duolingo's AI collects data on accuracy and speed. If student answer incorrectly, like I drink rice, AI repeats the exercise or shows variations until the student gets it right. If the student answer correctly multiple times, AI increases difficulty like we eat rice every morning. The fourth step, group collaboration. Students compare their mistakes and discuss together. Like example, a student, I confused between eat and cook. Student B, me too. Duolingo gave me more examples like she eats bread. And then together, they practice making new sentences like I eat bread, she eats rice, and we eat noodles. The fifth step, reflection and feedback, that group reflect which verbs were the most difficult, and then teacher guides discussion on common errors. And then the second example demonstration that about ChatGPT, the title is role play conversation practice. First step, preparation. Teacher divides students into pairs or small groups. The topic is at the airport. The second step, using AI as a partner. Student ask ChatGPT, can you act can you act as an airport office and I will check in for my flight? ChatGPT responds as the officer. The third step, example interaction, student passenger. Good morning, I'd like to check in for my flight to London. And then ChatGPT answer, good morning, can I have your passport and ticket please? Student, here you are. ChatGPT answer, thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in? And the fourth step, collaboration in groups, that students practice the dialogue in pairs. They adapt it with their own details like different destination, luggage, and problems. Like example, student A, excuse me, my luggage is overweight. What should I do? Student B, role as officer. You need to pay an extra fee or remove some items. And then students type their sentences back to ChatGPT. Please correct my sentences and make them sound natural. And then ChatGPT suggests correction and better expression. That's all from me. I'll give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Arini, and for the explanation. And that is the last uh, explanation for us for this topic. And next session will be a Q&A session. So if you have any question, we are happy to answer any questions. Okay, I think all of us already knows what uh, AI for collaborative learning. And to conclude, AI plays an important role in improving English language learning, especially in developing vocabulary, enhancing grammar accuracy, and strengthening communication skills. And then we also have explained how AI tools such as Duolingo and ChatGPT support collaborative learning, build students' confidence, reduce speaking anxiety, and provides instant feedback that helps learners to improve step by step. These tools also encourage active participation, self-regulated learning, and more meaningful interaction in English. And that is the last from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.